Today, I'm going to teach you a poem named Amanda, written by Robin Klein, deals with the age-old conflict between children and their elders, where elders dominate over the young, while the young cling onto their independence. दिनै आं उन्दै गथ'साफोर आरो गेदेरफोरनि गेजेराव गोदो गोदायनिफ्राय सोलिबोनाय गोसो गोरोबलायैखौ लानानै रबिन क्लेना लिरनाय आमान्दा मुंनि दोंसे खन्थाइ फरायहोनो आखायाव लादों, जेराव गेदेरफोरा उन्दैफोरनि सायाव सासन खालामो जेब्ला उन्दैफोराबो उदांस्रिनि थाखाय नांथाबना थायो. At first, I will tell you about the poet Robin Klein. Robin McMurdo Klein is an Australian author of books for children. She was born on 28 February 1936 in Kempsey, New South Wales. Klein had her first book published by the age of 16. In 1981, she was awarded a literature board grant for writing, and since then, she has had more than 20 books published. Klein currently lives in Melbourne, but her failing health has caused her to put a stop to her writing career. Amanda खन्थाइनि खन्थाइगिरिया जाबाय रबिन क्लेन. रबिन मेकमर्डो क्लेनआ अस्ट्रेलियानि सासे खुदिया थुनलाइ लिरगिरि. बिथाङा 1936 मायथाइनि 28 फेब्रुआरि खालारखालि निउ साउथ वेल्सनि केम्पसीआव जोनोम मोनो. क्लेनआ 60 बोसोर बैसोआवनो बिथांनि गिबि बिजाबखौ सेबखांदोंमोन. 1981 मायथाइयाव बिथाङा थुनलाइ सोरजिनि थाखाय लिटारेचार बोर्ड ग्रान्टनिफ्राय बान्था मोनो आरो बै समनिफ्रायनो बिथाङा 20 निख्रुइबो बांसिन बिजाब सेबखाङो. दा बिथाङा मेलबर्नआव थायो, नाथाय बिथाङा गाज्रि सावस्रिनि थाखाय जिउनि हाबा लिरनायखौ बेयावनो थुंगेनो गोनां जायो. दानिया खन्थाइखौ जागायजेननोसै. आमान्दाया जाबाय सासे हिनजावसानि मुं. Every child feels that he is controlled and instructed not to do one thing or another. साफ्रोम गथ'आ मोनदाङो दि बियो जायखिजाया मोनसे एबा गुबुन खामानि मावनायाव सासन खालामजायो आरो फोरोंथाय होजायो. You too may feel that your freedom is curtailed. नोंबो मोनदांनो हागौ दि नोंनि उदांस्रिखौ खम खालामनाय जादों. Write down some of the things you want to do, but your parents, elders do not allow you to. माखासे हाबानि सोमोन्दै लिर जायखौ नों मावनो नागिरो, नाथाय नोंनि आइ-आफा देरसिनफोरा नोंखौ मावनो होआ. To read the poem aloud from pairs, each reading alternate stanzas. खन्थाइखौ गुवारै फरायनो मोनफ्रोम मोनसेनि उनाव गुबुन मोनसेनि दफाजों जरा बानाय. दानिया खन्थाइनि दफाफोराव फैनोसै. Don't bite your nails, Amanda. नोंनि आसिगुरखौ अरस्लिंनाङा, Amanda. Don't hunch your shoulders, Amanda. नोंनि फाफ्लिखौ खुज्रा दाखालाम, Amanda. Stop that slouching and sit up straight, Amanda. गंग्लायनायखौ नागार आरो थोंजोङै ज', Amanda. There is a languid emerald sea. बेयाव दङ गंसे गोसो सुग्लायहोनाय रोखा जाहाबनाय सोमखोर लैथो. Where the sole inhabitant is me. जेराव हारसिं थागिरिया आं. A mermaid drifting blissfully. मासे दैखुंख्रिया रंजा-बाजा गोजावबायो. Did you finish your homework, Amanda? नोंखौ न'निफ्राय लिरना फरायना थांनो होनाय खामानिखौ मावखांबायना, Amanda? Did you tidy your room, Amanda? नों नोंनि खथाखौ साखोन-सिखोन खालामखांबायना, Amanda? I thought I told you to clean your shoes, Amanda. आं गोसोखांदों आं नोंखौ नोंनि जुथा जरासेखौ साफा खालामनो बुंदोंमोन, Amanda. I am an orphan roaming the street. आं सासे मावरिया लामायाव गिदिंग्ला बायनाय. I pattern soft dust with my hush bare feet. आंनि दलर खालि आथिंजों आं गोरै हाद्रिजों महर साजायफ्लेयो. The silence is golden, the freedom is sweet. निजुमथिया सनानि, उदांस्रिया गोजोननायनि. Don't eat that chocolate, Amanda. बै चकलेटखौ दाजा, Amanda. Remember your acne, Amanda. नोंनि सालमैनाखौ गोसोखां, Amanda. Will you please look at me when I am speaking to you? अन्नानै आंनि फारसे नाय जेब्ला आं नोंजों रायलायना थायो, Amanda. I am Rapunzel. I have not a care. आं Rapunzel. आंहा जोथोन लानो गोनां गैया. Life in a tower is tranquil and rare. खरंनि जिउआ गोजोन आरो आगुमा. I will certainly never let down my bright hair. आं गमामायैनो माब्लाबाबो आंनि मुदाननाय खानायखौ गाहाय फारसे हगारसारना होआ. Stop that sulking at once, Amanda. खुगा बुस्राव जाना थानायखौ थाबैनो नागार, Amanda. You are always so moody, Amanda. नों जेब्लाबो बोराब सुसु, Amanda. Anyone would think that I nag at you. जायखिजाया सोरबा सासेया आं नोंखौ बोराब होनाय बादि मोनगोन, Amanda. दानिया आं सोदोबनि ओंथिखौ खिन्थानोसै. Control, सामलायनाय, सासन खालामनाय. Instructed, फोरों, सोलोंथाय हो, गियान हो. Curtail, खम खालामनाय. Allow, गनायथि हो, मावनो हो. Pairs, जराफोर बानाय. Alternate, मोनसेनि उनाव गुबुन मोनसे. Surprise, गोमोनाय, सोमोनांनाय. Bite, अर. Nail, आसिगोर. Hands, खुज्रा, बिखुं खुज्रा खालाम. Shoulders, फाफ्लि. Slouching, खर' गंग्लायनानै गसं एबा थाबाय एबा ज'. Straight, थोंजों, थोंगोर. Languid, सुग्लायहो. Emerald, रुखा जाहाबनाय, गोथां गाब. Soul, हारसिंल'. Inhabitant, थाग्रा, थागिरि. Mermaid, दैखुंग्रि, दैनि मोदायजो. Drifting, गोजावलांनाय. Blissfully, रंजा बाजा. Tidy, साखोन सिखोन, थामथिम. Orphan, मावरिया गथ', बिमा बिफा थैजानाय गथ'. Roaming, गिदिंथिंनाय, एरैनो बेरायथिंनाय, बेरायग्लांनाय. Pattern, साजायनाय महर. Soft, गोरै, रैदोब. Dust, हाद्रि. Hushed, दलर, गोजोन. Bare, सिजोम गैयै, लंथं, लांथिया, खालि. Silence, स्रि स्राय, निजुम, सिरि थानाय. Acne, सालमयना. Rapunzel, सल'नि आखु. Tower, खरं, दुर्ग. Tranquil, गोजोन, निजुम, सान्थि. Rare, मोननो गैयै, आगुमा, नुबाङै. Sulking, खुगा बुस्राव जाना था. बोदोर थानाय. Moody, थाब थाब गोसो सोलायनाय, बोराब सुसु. Nag, रागा जोंहो, बोराब हो. दानिया माखासे सोंलुनि फिननायफोरखौ बुंनोसै. How old do you think Amanda is? How do you know this? I think Amanda is a teenager. It is clear from the acne she has. Who do you think is speaking to her? I think her mother is speaking to her. Is Amanda an orphan? Why does she say so? In fact, Amanda is not an orphan, but she says so because she is wandering in the street and she does not like that her freedom is curtailed. Do you know the story of Rapunzel? Why does she want to be Rapunzel? Rapunzel is the story of a girl with a long, beautiful golden hair who was imprisoned in a high tower by a witch. Amanda wanted to be Rapunzel so that she could live all by herself doing whatever she wanted. What does the girl yearn for? What does this poem tell you about Amanda? The girl yearns for freedom to do what she likes. All teenagers grow some habits. Amanda also has such habits. Read the last stanza. Do you think Amanda is sulking and is moody? The last stanza says that Amanda is sulking and is moody, but it is also clear that the speaker is teasing her. What according to Amanda is freedom? According to Amanda, freedom is sweet. How does Amanda make designs? Amanda makes designs with her bare feet. Why should Amanda not eat chocolate? Amanda should not eat chocolate because she has acne. How does Amanda describe her life? Amanda says that she is an orphan. She wanders about the streets. She makes designs on soft dust with her bare feet. To her, silence is golden and freedom is sweet. Choose the meaning of the underlined word in the following sentences from among the alternatives given in brackets. A mermaid drifting blissfully. Blissfully ni ओंथिखौ सायख'ना दिहुननांगौ गाहायाव होनाय मोनथामनिफ्राय बेयाव फिननाया जागोन cheerfully. Life is a tower in tranquil and rare. बेयाव tranquil नि ओंथिखौ सायख'ना दिहुननो नांगौ गाहायाव होनाय alternatives फोरनिफ्राय बिनि फिननाया जागोन peaceful. Now let us focus on what we can learn from this poem. If we listen to our parents, followed their advice, then they would not have to nag us. जुदि जों बिमा बिफानि खोथा खोनासङो आरो बिथांमोननि बिथोन मानिना सोलियो अब्ला बिथांमोना जोंखौ बोराब होआ. Our imagination can sometimes make us relax. जोंनि सानबोलावरिया माब्लाबा जोंनि गोसो सुग्लायहोनो हायो. The mind is all powerful and we should be able to control our thoughts. गोसोआ अराय गोहो गोनां आरो जों जोंनि सानस्रिखौ दबथायनो हानांगोन. Thank you.